Welcome to Riverview, Florida Orthopaedic Institute's newest location. This new 6,000 square foot facility located at 11286 Boyett Road, Suite 101, was designed for growth and care for patients in the Riverview community, just east of US 301 on Boyett Road, right before the intersection of Balm Riverview Road. Riverview includes the newest technology and treatment options, so patients receive all the care they need at one location. Other features include 5 exam rooms, X-ray machines, and other diagnostic equipment. Patients can also get convenient physical and occupational therapy. Several Florida Orthopaedic Institute physicians service Riverview. All have advanced training, plus additional fellowship training for the highest standard of care. Known nationally and throughout the world for their orthopedic care, they have been named among the best orthopedic physicians in America. Their conservative approach ensures all appropriate non-surgical methods are explored before suggesting surgery. As Tampa Bay's largest orthopedic group with expertise in virtually every orthopedic subspecialty, Florida Orthopaedic Institute provides a level of care that's unavailable anywhere else. Florida Orthopaedic Institute, keeping you active.